If you want to know how I prepare this delicious and yummy donut, stay tuned and watch this video till the end so that you know how I prepare this delicious and yummy donuts, guys. Okay, this is a very easy recipe you can make easy for your kitchen. Your kids will love it. Thank you all. I love you. Let's go there after the break. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another recipe. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be making donut. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching this video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Today's video, guys, I'm going to be making full recipe of how I make my donut. So first of all, I will be introducing to you all the ingredients I will be needing in making this donut, guys. In my last video, I promised that I'm going to make a full recipe of donut. So here is it. Today we are making it. Here I have 1 kilo of flour. Here I have a teaspoon of salt. Here I have the butter I will be needing. I will be taking from inside. Here I have 4 sachets of yeast. Here I have caramel aroma. Here I have half cup of milk. Here I have cinnamon powder. If you don't like cinnamon powder, you can make use of nutmeg. Here I have a cup of sugar. Here is the bowl I will be using in mixing the yeast. Here is the warm water I will be using. So here are all my ingredients I will be needing in making this donut, guys. Thank you all so much. Stay tuned and continue watching. I love you all. So guys, we are going to start by activating the yeast. So I will just add a warm water to the bowl. So I will be pouring the yeast inside. So guys, I will be adding sugar to it. Then I will turn it together. So guys, I add a little warm water to it. So guys, we will cover it and set this aside, okay? Just for it to rise, okay? I will be leaving this for 8 to 10 minutes to rise, guys, okay? So I'm going to double it so that hair will not go inside. So here is it, guys. We are going to be setting this aside for 8 minutes to rise. So I'll put this in a warm place to rise. Okay, stay tuned, guys. So guys, I will just be adding all the dry ingredients one after the other. I add the sugar to it. After the sugar, I'm going to mix it together. Then I will add the salt. So I'll mix it also. I will add the cinnamon powder. If you don't like it, you can skip it out. Then I will also mix it together. Make sure you mix the dry ingredients together very well, guys. Okay, stay tuned and continue watching. I love you all. I will leave all the ingredients how I make it in the description box below. Check it out after this video. I love you all. Keep watching. Now I'm going to add a little butter. I'm not going to use all of it. I will just be cutting from inside this butter. You can use any butter of your choice. Okay, thank you all. I love you. Keep watching. So guys, I'll be adding this. Here is the egg. Just add the two of it. Here is the milk. So I'll mix it together like this first. So here is my yeast. So you see it's rised up already. So I'm just going to add it to it. guys, I'm still adding the warm water to it. Mixing of it, so I've already mixed it. So what I'm going to do now, I have this pot here, so I put a little olive oil inside, so I'm just using it to rub the body. So you see this olive oil, so I'm going to transfer the dough to the pot. So you see that. So I will be leaving it inside this pot. I'm going to cover it, okay guys? I'm going to cover it for it to rise and double in size, guys, okay? So guys, I'm going to put this inside my oven to double in size before we start frying donuts, okay guys? Thank you also so much. We'll be leaving this for 1 hour, guys, okay? Thank you so much. I will be back after 1 hour to start forget this stuff. Thank you. finished cutting everything. So I have about 3 trays like this. So what I will do, I'm going to cover this just like this. I'll cover it like this to sit for 20 minutes before I will start frying it. Okay guys, stay tuned. I will be back to show you when I'm going to fry it, guys. I love you all so much. God bless you. Keep watching, guys. So guys, we are back. We want to start frying it now. Here I have all the donuts here. So you see it has doubled in size. This is after 30 minutes, guys. So now we're going to start frying it now, okay? So I'm just going to put this inside to see with a low heat, guys, okay? We're going to fry this donut with low heat, okay? So that is it, guys. So guys, here is the finished look of my donut. You see it? Here is the finished look of it. So here is it, guys. Look at it. It's looking so fluffy, so yummy, and so delicious, guys. Look at that, guys. Here is it. Here is many, guys, okay? My friends request for it, so that's why I make it many like this. So look at it. So I'm going to be showing you the one I cut from inside. So here is it. So look at that, guys. Look at it. So it's well cooked. You see it? You see inside? So here is it, guys. Run to your kitchen and make your donuts, guys. This is how I make my donut. Here is it. So I will be ending this video here, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, after watching this video, kindly subscribe and turn off your notification button. Be a part of my family. Thank you for my old subscriber. I say may God bless you all. For the new one who will come across this video for the first time, please be a part of my family. I love you all. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.